everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Easy Craft Videos. I hope you all fine and good and doing well. Guys, this collection is related to Easter festival of porch designs and outdoor decoration ideas and Easter decoration ideas, trees designs and a different collection of Easter festival 2021. So hope you like my video and hope you like my collection that upload on my YouTube channel. Easy Craft Videos is one of the best channel on YouTube related to each and every video of decoration. So hope you like my video and hope you love my video. Subscribe my YouTube channel Easy Craft Videos and press the bell icon for more updates about my YouTube channel. Beautiful collection of Easter festival and egg style of decorated trees designs are also available on my YouTube channel. So visit my YouTube channel. Beautiful decorated design and easily available in market and different designs, latest updated designs. Thank you so much guys to watch my videos and post designs of different collection of Easter festival and trees collection. So thank you so much guys to watch the video till the end and keep supporting my YouTube channel Easy Craft Videos. Take care and bye bye.